Hello everyone. Today we will be doing the magical health, and I just hope you have done the 10 blessings in the morning and also had the rock with you in the night, and also has gone through your whole day thinking of the amazing good things that happened that day, and just be thankful of the bestest one, picking out that bestest one, and be thankful. So on the third day, we were on the day three, it was about the relationships, and I hope that you have started trying the relationships that you want in your life always to be there for you. You I, I just hope that you have been started doing being thankful of those people, and have those photographs with you, and said thank you to their faces, photograph faces. So let's start our magical health. The greatest wealth is health. Health is the most precious thing in life, and yet more than anything else, we take our health for granted. For many of us, the only time we think of our health is when we lose it. Then the realization hits us, without our health, we have nothing. There is an Italian proverb that says the truth about health for many of us. He who enjoys good health is rich, through he knows it not. While we really think of our health when we are well, we will have felt the truth of those words even when you had something minor like a cold or the flu, and you were bedridden. When you are not well and all you want is to feel better, and nothing else matters other than having your health back again. Health is a gift of life. It is something you receive and continue to receive each day, in addition to everything else we do to be healthy. We have to be careful for our health to continue to receive more health. Whoever has gratitude for health will be given more, and he or she will have an abundance. Whoever does not have gratitude for health, even what he or she has will be taken from him or her. You may know of people who chose a healthy lifestyle and yet still lost their health. Giving thanks in return for the health you are receiving is vital. When you are grateful for your health, you will not only maintain your current health, at the same time, you will set the magic into motion to increase the flow of health to you. You will also begin to see the improvements to your health happen right away. Little aches and pains, moles and scars or marks will start to magically disappear, and you will notice your energy, vitality, and happiness increase markedly. As you will learn in later practice, through the daily practice of gratitude for your health, you can improve your eyesight, hearing, and all of your senses, along with every function in your entire body. And all of it happens like magic. Gratitude is a vaccine, an antitoxin, and an antiseptic. The degree that you are grateful for your health is the exact degree that your health will magically increase, and the degree that you are not grateful is the exact degree that your health will decrease. Living with a decreased amount of health means your energy, vitality, immune system, clarity of thought, and every other function of your body and mind is weakened. Being grateful for your health ensures that you will continue to receive more health to be grateful for, and at the same time, it eliminates stress and tension in your body and mind. And scientific research studies have shown that stress and tension are at the root of many diseases. Studies have also revealed that people who practice gratitude heal faster and are likely to live 7 years longer. You can see in the state of your health right now how grateful you have been. You should feel amazing every day. If you feel heavy and life feels like a real effort to get through, or if you don't feel younger than your age, then you are living with the decreased health. One of the major causes of this loss of vitality is the lack of gratitude. All of that is about to change, though, because you are going to use gratitude's magical power for the health of your body. The magical health practice begins with reading through the following paragraphs about the health of your body. After you read each line for a particular part of your body, close your eyes and mentally repeat those lines, feeling as grateful as you can for the part of your body. Remember that when you think about why you are grateful, it will help you feel gratitude more deeply, and the deeper you feel it, the faster you will feel and see the amazing results in your body. Think about your legs and feet. They are your main form of transportation in your life. Think about all the things you use for legs, like balancing, standing, sitting down, exercising, dancing, climbing steps, driving a car, and most of all, the miracle of walking. Your legs and feet allow you to walk around your home, walk to the bathroom, go to the kitchen and to get a drink, and walk to your car. Your legs and feet allow you to walk around stores, down the streets, through an airport, along the beach. The ability to walk gives us freedom to enjoy life. Say thank you for my legs and feet and really mean it. Think about your arms and hands and how many things you pick up and hold in one day. Your hands are the major tools of your life, and they are in non-stop use all day long, every day. Your hands allow you to write, eat a meal, use a phone or a computer, shower, get dressed, use the bathroom, pick up the things and hold them, and do everything for yourself. Just imagine, without the use of your hands, you would be dependent on other people to do things for you. Say thank you for your arms, hands, and fingers. When you hug someone, you use your hands. Say thankful to them. They are I am so thankful to my hands. Think about your amazing senses. Your sense of taste give you so much pleasure multiple times throughout the day as you eat and drink. You know from losing your sense of taste through a cold that the joy of eating and drinking disappears. Without being able to taste food or drink, say thank you for an amazing sense of taste. Your sense of smell enables you to experience the beautiful fragrances of life, flowers, perfumes, clean sheets, dinner as it's cooking. Oh wow, a perfume, a fire burning on a winter's night, the air on the summer's day, freshly cut grass, the smell on the earth after rain. Thank you for my wonderful sense of smell. If you didn't have a sense of touch, you would never know hot from cold, soft from sharp, or something, or smooth from rough. You would never be able to feel objects or physically express love or receive it. Your sense of touch allow you to touch your loved one with a reassuring hug, and to feel the touch of a hand from one human being to another is one of the most precious things in life. Say thank you, and thank you for my precious sense of touch. Think about the miracles of your eyes. Each enable you to see the face of your loved ones and friends, read printed books, newspapers and emails, watch television, see the beauty of the nature, and the most importantly, see your way through life. Just put a blindfold on and for an hour and try to do what you normally do. You will appreciate your eyes. Say thank you for my eyes that enable me to see everything. Think about your ears, which enable you to hear your own voice and other people's voices, so you can talk to people. Without ears and your sense of hearing, you could not use a phone, hear music, listen to the radio, listen to this amazing video that I'm sharing, or any of the sounds of the world around you. Say thank you for my hearing. And to use any of your senses would be impossible without your brain, which processes over 1,000,000 messages a second through all of your senses. It is actually your brain that enable you to sense and experience life, and there is no computer technology in the world that can duplicate it. Say thank you for my brain and for my beautiful mind. Think about the trillions of cells working unceasingly 24/7 for your health, body, and life. Say thank you, cells. Think about your life sustaining organs. Think about your life sustaining organs which are continuously filtering, cleaning, renewing everything in your body. And think about the fact that they do all their work automatically without you even having to think about it. Thank you, organs, for working perfectly. But more miraculously than any sense, system, function, or other organ in our body is the organ of our heart. Your heart governs the life of every other organ, because it is your heart that keeps the life flowing to every system in your body. Say thank you for my strong and healthy heart. Take a piece of paper or a card and write on it in the big bold letters, "The gift of health is keeping me alive." Take the card with you today and put it in a place where you know you will see it often. If you work at a desk, you can put it right in front of you. If you are a driver, then put it in the place in your car or truck where you will see it often. If you are at home most of the time, you can put it where you wash your hands or near your phone. Choose a place where you know you will see the words you have written often. Today, on at least 4 separate occasions, when you see the words, read them very slowly, one word at a time, and feel as grateful as you can for the gift of health. The gift of health is keeping me alive. Being grateful for your health is essential to keep your health, but also to guarantee that it continues to get better with increasing energy and zest for life. If gratitude were used in conjunction with conventional medical treatments, we would see a health revolution and recovery rates and miracles like we have never seen before. Magical practice number 4. Repeat step 1, 2, 3 of magic practice. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Say thank you after every blessing. On a piece of paper or card, write the words in bold that the gift of health is keeping me alive. Place the piece of paper with your written words where you know you will see it often today. Or on at least 4 occasions, read the word very slowly and feel as grateful as you can for the precious gift of health. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, "Thank you for the best thing that happened during the day." So what I am going to do is I work on a desk job. So it's a desk job. So I am going to put the card about the health and the relationship picture of my husband and my daughter, and I'll be thankful to that, and also this paper and the rock. So there are a lot of things on my desk now, going to be there on my desk now. So be grateful for the health whenever you, okay, so the example, the things that I do about the health also. Whenever I get sick and whenever I feel stressed, or you can say, see, not every day you feel joyful and every day is going to be the best day of your life. Not every day this is going to happen. So that's how I changed my mind from last 10 years that I've been doing it. Is whenever I feel sick, I say thank you for my health. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe, for the health I have. Thank you that I can walk to the kitchen and drinking the water. Thank you to my hands. Thank you that I can get up. Thank you that I am healthy. never the negative words. It's not that thank you, I'm not sick. No, please don't do that. Universe doesn't listen, no. So it is going to be thank you, I'm sick. So it is going to be on the other way around. It will be you. That's how you need to change your mind. You need to say the positive words. Thank you, I am healthy. Um, so start saying thank you and the positive words. Uh, when you when you're going to the office, say thank you, I have my vehicle down. Thank you that the roads are empty. Not the other way around. Not like that. Thank you, I have no traffic. No, no, no. Not like that. You need to say thank you the roads are empty. Thank you, I got the seat in metro. Thank you, there are the green lights. Thank you, the lift is on the ground floor only. Thank you, I reached my office timing starts at 8:30, so thank you, I reached at 8:30 or 8:29. So be specific with these things, and all you need to do is put the magic words before saying these things is thank you, thank you, thank you. It is going to change your life. Believe me, it is going to change your life. So let's please do this day 4 magical health chapter. Please practice that, and the next is like everyone is waiting for magic money, day 5. So everyone wants magic and everyone wants money in their life, abundance and everything. So let's wait for day 5 magic money. See you guys on the next video, and let's see how these 4 days is going to be. Do it every day. Please do it every day. I am doing it. I am changing my life. You also do it. Bye guys.